Let's remove these as well. And the charging flakes. Okay, the motherboard is out. I have a Samsung Note 8. I'm gonna replace the back and the LCD on it. See the top bit. But this works because the touch digitizer and the touch for this are two different things. So the finger touch is on the top bit, then comes the LCD, and then comes the scanner for this. So there are two different things. So even if the touch doesn't work, we could just use this one. If it wasn't broken, I would have to be very careful with it, but this is already broken, so I don't have to worry about it. Let's see if I can remove it without heating it up. Yeah, it just came off. If it's not broken or something, then I would have to be very careful with it. Since this is already broken, I don't have to worry about it. And the scanner flex is still connected, so be careful with that. So it's around here. So using a plastic prying tool, remove that before damaging it. So yeah, it just came off. Once that is removed, let me remove the SIM card, memory card if there's any. And let's remove all the screws. So once the screws are out, I can just remove the plastic bit. Okay, this is out. Let's remove the wireless charging as well. Remove that. Let me remove the battery. So let's just pry open the battery first. So the battery is out. And this will be putting it back again. Let's remove all these flex. There's a screw there. Let's remove these as well. And the charging flakes. Okay, the motherboard is out. Got to be careful while removing the charging flakes and everything, because they are glued to the frame. So you got to warm it up and remove it, and being very careful with it, not to break any of those things. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna warm it up, so I don't want to break it. Let's not do this on a very big heat, you don't want to burn it. So let's try to remove the microphone of this. Okay, it just came off easily. Let's try to remove this as well. And the headphone jack just came off. Let's remove all these things. Come off easily. So I'll be putting it on this one. This is a service pack. Now, if possible, get a second-hand one. That would be best. Now I'll be transferring this and this to this. Let me warm this up a little bit. Let's just put this back in to this one here. Okay, it goes in there. Now let's remove this as well and stick it to this side, and then remove this plastic bit as well. It's got the heat transfer thing. Let me remove this as well. Let me just connect this and put it together. Let's remove the tape from here. I forgot to remove it. Vibrator. Let's not forget about this thing. Okay, finally can put this thing on. Squeeze it in and press it down. And then don't forget to turn this upside and put it there as well, and voila, this is going in. Let's screw this back in. I'm gonna put the headphone jack as well, and let's screw this as well. So let's connect the cameras, and then I'll be testing if this phone is working or not. So let's connect everything first, and then let's do a quick test on it, see if everything is working or not. Once this is working fine, I'll be putting this back. Okay, all of the important things are connected. Let's see if the phone is turning on or not. If the screen is fine, let's test it. Okay, that bit is working. Okay, this thing is working fine. Let's see. Oh, all good. This is good. Let's use this one now. Okay, it's fine. Okay, everything is working fine, so we'll be putting it back now. So let's put this glue on it and put the battery back in, and it's ready to go. So since this was there, I'm gonna put it back again. Let me put this one first. Okay, everything is connected. I need to remove this as well, as this is going to be transferred to the other side. See if I can clean this up. Yeah, this B7000 T7000 glue, it's quite easy to remove. Just need a screwdriver, and if you can just roll it down, it's gonna pull all the glue out. B7000 was even easier than this. It just pulls out all the glue like this. So this is the back that I will be replacing with. So this is gonna go on top of this. I'm gonna put some double-sided tape on these sides as well, because this wasn't sticking properly. It's all sorted. Now let's just put this back. Remove all the other side of the double-sided tape. I'm using a T7000 glue. Okay, this is all done. Final bit is to put this one back in. So once I put this, I need to clear it up, clean up. Okay, this is all done. Well, I hope somebody learned from this video. There's loads of these kind of videos out there. So it's not just me who's doing this kind of things. There's so many of them doing this. So well, all of them are unique on their own ways. So no matter what to do it on your own way. Do some research, like do a lot of research, and then do it on your own way. Make it your own style, you know. So that's how you learn these kind of things. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment on how I can improve these kind of videos, and do stay tuned. Thank you.